Igbo Billionaire Emoney has been arrested by the EFCC for naira mutilation and also abuse of naira and other foreign currency. Okay guys, breaking news. Emeka Okonkwo, also known as Emoney, has been arrested by the EFCC and he was transported from Lagos to Abuja. As he read, EFCC arrests businessman Emoney over alleged naira abuse and defacing of foreign currency. Operative of the Economics and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) have arrested popular Nigerian businessman and music executive Emeka Okonkwo, widely known as Emoney. Sources in the commission say the businessman was apprehended on Monday night, April 28, over alleged abuse of naira and defacing foreign currency. The sources mentioned that Emoney is under investigation for spraying both naira and the United States dollars at social events which violate the Nigerian currency laws and Foreign Exchange Act. He said he has been flown to Abuja for further investigation. Okay guys, Emoney has been arrested by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) for mutilation of naira and also spraying of foreign currencies. They say when they stop with the spray naira, say they abuse naira. Big boys begin to spray dollars and pounds. You still can't arrest them. Nigerian influencer and activist Verydarkman has also reacted to the news and he had a lot to say concerning the new development and what EFCC is doing to Emoney. Here is what Verydarkman had to say concerning the situation.
All right, so as I speak to you now, Emoney is currently in detention at the EFCC as I speak to you now. I know say EFCC go, they wonder how I take find out, but like I said, I got eyes everywhere. Do you understand? I get informants for everywhere. So allegedly, yesterday, about 50 men stormed Emoney's house, and that was how they arrested him. Now, why did they arrest him? Because of this video. Now, as you can see in this video, Emoney they spray flavor pounds for Obi Kubana birthday. EFCC carry him not because he spray money, because according to them, as in they spray pounds, in leg can't touch naira. In leg they on top naira. That's why they arrested him. They say it is naira mutilation. Say in leg touch naira. So person won't go spray pounds. He go they look ground before he go spraying pounds. For a party where crowd they making the look ground. Meanwhile now, Okoya Pikin, Yoruba man Pikin, Okoya Pikin, he do naira mutilation where even the first PRO talk. Say this is naira mutilation. They can't arrest the policeman where they did. They invite Okoya Pikin, nothing was done. Now so that case don't go. But now you go Emoney house, go pick Emoney. Say leg mistakenly touch naira. That's why you picked him up for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, you no touch him. I'm beginning to believe this story that you people are against the Igbos in this Lagos. I don't believe I'm slow. There's a conspiracy against the Igbos. And you know the craziest part? According to my investigation, that EFCC commander where they for a lorry, now they don't carry come Lagos now. That one where we say they involved for that easy tea, this thing. Where they take carry easy tea from Lagos, go Ilori, go lock out for over 8 days for Mesichin Wokis. Now in don't day now. So maybe as they don't do money now, they'll say, hey, that one too na Igbo, but na lie. I see a tribal game going on. Okoya Pikin do. They say no. Up to now. But now don't go carry Igbo man. The other day when I carry Isoko man, Terry Apala for naira mutilation. But Okoya Pikin, they never still touch him up to now. So you see how corrupt EFCC are. And I keep saying this to you, now know the year. But I don't blame them. They can do this because a lot of Nigerians are also in support. You remember Okoya children time? At the talk and they say, Verydarkman, you don't know Okoya, then they get Nigeria. In fact, they borrow to Una empower that character. Una empower, now they don't go carry another person. Of course, Emoney never borrowed Tinubu money before now. But you see, slowly, you go touch all of now. As soon as no one talk. Now, I'm not a fan of Emoney. I don't even like him at all. I don't like his lifestyle. I don't even want to know him. But, Mona release Emoney. If you people cannot take Okoya's children to court, why are you harassing everybody, bro? Why? Why? Is the law different? Why? And Emoney, who you don't offend, because this will be like set up. Who you don't offend, you better go and check. But release Emoney. Release him. If you cannot hold Okoya's children, you have no right to hold any Nigerian anywhere. You have no right. Let E-money go. Let E-money go. Let E-money go. Now, again, to celebrities, they are purposely targeting a lot of you. Purpose is deliberate. So that they will not show Nigerians that they are working. They are not working. These people are very corrupt. EFCC are the most corrupt people. Like I said, 70% of them are corrupt. When they are ready to let me prove it, I'll prove it to them. They should come and say, Verydarkman defame EFCC. Let's go to court. Let us go. And we prove it that 90% of you are corrupt. Release the money. And celebrities, be watchful. As soon as they go, when I'm not going to spray money, if they don't pass them as law, no problem. I'm not going to tell you to break the laws. There's naira mutilation laws, no problem. But the pattern at which you are using a pattern to follow it. And celebrities are the target. Economic and Financial Crime Commission, when I don't follow politicians, governor thief money, they don't leave them. Okowa now own, still dead there. Nobody they talk. You don't join APC now. Not his talk. You don't go carry money. Tomorrow now, who you go carry? Tomorrow now, you go carry. Make us spray Ramona touch me. Corrupt people. Thieves. Thieves. Now na be. Release the money. Release the money. Release the money. Tribal bigots. The Oga said for EFCC said, na even Yoruba join said. Release the money. Else you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. Injustice for one is injustice for all. Peace.
The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, was arraigned in court today as his case continues on. Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court as he continues to fight for his freedom after he was arrested and extradited illegally from Kenya to Nigeria. The case has been going on for a very long time now, and the case was moved from a different court and another judge to another judge now, which the case has been started afresh now. He was in court today where he continues to fight for his freedom. He was seen in a very good spirit as his lawyers gave updates concerning the situation on ground. I'll be sharing with you how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Look at you.
Oh, there we go.
Good.
Adem.